New update. It's Wednesday afternoon, 7 7 p.m. and 40 maybe 50 minutes. So it's almost 8 p.m. and it's already dark. So this is the room. I finished the cleaning. I put everything out. It's still not perfect, but it needs more fine cleaning, but the concrete parts are out and big trash like fridge and mattresses are out. This is my bed, but my mattresses is uh, under the tent, so I don't know, should I go already for the mattress and bed sleep, or should I, because of the ceiling, I'm not sure about ceiling for now, or should I stay one more night in tent? Oh, you may also notice there's no solar system down there. I changed the spot. I need to transfer the freezer also. I put the solar system here. You see it's already dark. Here is battery, inverter and regulator. And here are cables from the outside. So I concluded I don't have enough sun. Here is the tent and under is mattress. That goes to the metal bed. Here. So I don't know, should I go for this or not. And here you can see no more panel here. This is all that I throw out today. Freezer, refrigerator. I have freezer. Concrete parts. This is all I've done today. And here you see the window and cables. Look, so they go up. So they go up and on the roof. Here. Now you see it. I put it on the roof because sun comes out there and goes there. So I think it will be in the sun the whole day. And I think that's great. Tomorrow the weather forecast is sunny and warm, so I think I will have plenty of energy. That's it. And that's it for today. More cleaning. Is getting together my plan and idea. So we are getting closer to functional room for now. Soon I need to scrape the walls and do the paint job, but before that I should do hydro insulation on the roof up there. You saw it where the panel is, that's my roof. Now you saw it. So there I need to do hydro or water insulation, and then I can do walls, and then only ceiling will be bad. And for ceiling I plan to put steel pipes, but rectangle, not round ones, and OSB, or whatever the name is, that wooden plates on the steel pipes. That's plan. I don't know if I will be able to pull it off. And then I would have one room perfect. Even if the roof falls down, the steel pipes would hold. And if I manage to do that, then I will try to focus a little bit on the bathroom. You see, I have Hydropack pressure tank unit. And tomorrow, I don't know, maybe I won't work that much. I have a plan. I'll probably go to shop, to supermarket or some kind of builder's market. And I will try to buy water storage, some plastic thing, maybe like 200 liters or 300, something like that, to collect rain. And I will try to buy a few plastic chairs and maybe few bottles of water. It's very hard without the water. I'm using it a lot. Okay, you see it. Huge adventure, huge project for one person, but we are slowly moving ahead. The hardest parts, like doors, solar system cleaning, first room, is done, so now it will be a little bit easier. I hope so. Water is pretty big problem for me. That's what I noticed. Okay, that's it for now, and see you in next update.